Right, this video is going over what we did in the previous video, just making sure to focus on the relevant information. So as we said, we have 3 friends, then 2 friends join later, and then another 2 join later. We go from 1 table to 3 tables, and we've been asked to find a expression that explains the relationship between the number of seats and the tables. So we drew up this table, and as you can see, the pattern would be with 1 table you'd have 4 people plus 2 times 0 people. Now for 2 tables you'd have 6 people plus 2 times 1. This is the way to think about patterns going forward. So you end up forming that times, so you have that plus 2 and then forming that n minus 1 as discussed. So as you can see, that is formed in the general solution. Our first term is a, like we mentioned, and then there's that 4. And our common difference is d, which is 2. As you can see, there's 2, 2, and 2, and they are starting at 0, 1, 2, and then 3. So there's our common difference. There's our general solution of 4 plus n minus 1 times 2. Now, if we want to find the 12th term, we say t12. We then substitute 12 in for the n value. We say 12 minus 1 is 11. We carry that down, as you can see I'm doing over here. So that 12 is the nth term. Wherever there's an n, you need to put 12. We calculate the 12th term, and we get 26, which is an easy game. Now let's calculate the number of tables needed to seat 20 people. That's the next question. Alright, these are often structured questions with 3 or 4 questions in total. So, we are not asking for the nth term, we are asking for when Tn is equal to 20. So now we take our general solution and equate to 20. We then work the solution on the left-hand side. We then manipulate the equation by taking the positive 2 to the right-hand side and changing it to a negative 2, as one does when one shifts across an equals sign. With that said, we calculate further and we find n is equal to 9. So at the 9th table, 20 people can be seated. Easy game.